What's going on, guys? My name is Simon Tabello. This is my family's MTI 390X, and let's get into it.
All right, Simon, thanks for having us out today.
Of course.
It's a beautiful Havasu day right before a big event, as you guys can see. Let's go get right into it. What are we looking at?
Yeah, so right here we have a 2024 MTI 390X powered by twin Mercury 500 Racing Rs. This boat's actually carbon fiber. What that means is carbon fiber bottom, carbon fiber top, and they mold it together obviously to make it one full carbon fiber boat. MTI does offer fiberglass options. However, the carbon fiber option is a lot more expensive. So with that being said, this is just more of a desirable boat just because it's carbon fiber, which means it's lighter, handles better in the water and things of that nature.
What's the length are we looking at?
39 feet. However, with the motors, I want to put it at about probably 41, 42 feet.
And with carbon fiber, what weight does this boat come in at?
Yeah, so dry weight, we're looking at about around 6,000 pounds. So extremely light for a 39-foot boat.
Extremely light. I mean, this is a big, wide boat. In fact, what's the width?
The beam, it's a 10-6 beam. So it's pretty wide. Obviously, when you're towing it, you kind of need a bigger trailer with flags on each side just to make sure you're in the lane and nothing crazy happens.
And tell me about how you trailer this boat. Do you have a trailer, the tilt trailer, or do you do it on a regular flat?
Yeah, so actually when we purchased the boat approximately a year ago, we actually bought it with a tilt trailer. So with that being said, obviously it's on its side when we're going down the highway. We actually sold that trailer just because the reason is we live 5-10 minutes away from here, so we don't tow anything crazy, mainly boat in Havasu, so we didn't really need the tilt trailer. When we purchased the boat originally, we got the flat trailer as well, so we just put the boat on the flat trailer and that's how we tow it now, just regular flat.
And what do we tow this with?
I have a F350 Ford. Tows perfectly, never had an issue with it. Going down the highway, 75, not an issue.
A light boat, but big.
Absolutely, yeah, definitely.
Simon, bitch and colors. Let's break down the paint job. Who picked the colors? How'd you come across this design and so forth?
Yeah, so actually we are the second owner of this boat. The original owner is actually here in Havasu as well. He actually only owned it for probably about 3, 4, 5 months, nothing crazy. We actually purchased the boat from him with 24 original hours on it. So it was mint condition, brand new. The paint on this boat is done by MTI. It's actually a stage 3 paint job, and all these colors are actually from Porsche. So they're all Porsche spec colors and things of that nature, yeah.
All right, Simon, what are we doing for the motor package on this?
So these are actually Mercury Racing 500R motors. They are the top of the line for outboard motors when it comes to power. So Mercury doesn't make anything higher than 500 at the moment. For top speed, we're running probably right around 132 with 36 pitch props. If we were to pitch it up a little bit higher, I'm sure we can get 133, 134, 135, somewhere around there. We also got 132, we were loaded down with anchors, buoys, 4 guys in the boat, fuel. So if we were to kind of take all that stuff out of the picture, I'm sure we can get a little higher on this thing.
How does this handle the rough water out here?
Oh,
we get white caps. How do we do out here?
Oh, it's a beast. I mean, we're out here on a windy day, 30-mile-an-hour winds, white caps, and it's just cruising right along, right over it. I mean, anything out here can handle anything out here, honestly. I mean, this boat's made for the ocean. Many of you guys know, I mean, MTI, it's a world-renowned brand when it comes to racing. I mean, these guys are offshore specialists. They win races like it's no other. And these things just handle amazing when it comes to the chop like that.
And then has this thing seen the ocean?
This specific boat has not seen the ocean. So this is a freshwater boat only. Okay. I've only had it in Havasu. So it's never seen salt water, anything like that. So we want to take it out in the salt, but you know, that's a different animal out there. So we'll get there one day, but as of now, it's just freshwater boat in Havasu.
And what's your dream, besides Havasu, what other lake would you be a bucket list to take this on if you had a bucket list for this boat?
I would say probably Florida, in the ocean, just cruising to the Bahamas, things like that in this boat would just be top tier. We also want to do Lotto. Ozarks would just be another dream of ours, just to hang out there for a week and see what it's all about and just test out the waters.
All right, Simon, before we jump in, what's the best way to board this boat?
Yeah, so I mean, when it comes to boarding this boat, honestly, it's kind of just however you feel, honestly. We have some kind of clear grip tape right here that we like to just step on, just makes it easy. You know, my dad doesn't really care. That guy will go on with shoes.
It's a tolerant dad.
Yeah, to him, it's all good, but this is how I like to get on it. Step down, obviously we have the 2 steps right here between the seats, 3 steps. So we kind of just step in right there and just get after it like that.
Gotcha, okay. And now back here, what are we looking for gas capacity on this?
When it comes to gas in these things, it's 2 75-gallon tanks, 150 gallons full altogether. These things are actually really good on gas. It's our first outboard boat actually, so we were kind of skeptical on how the gas would be, but way better than inboards, run for days, turnkey, and good to go.
I imagine these are less expensive to maintain?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Our last boat we came was twin 700 stage 3s, Mercury. These things are way cheaper than any inboard boat to maintain like that.
And we're running just 91 pump gas?
Correct, 91 pump gas. turns key, no
Gotcha.
problem.
Let's take a look. What do we have here in these compartments?
Yeah, so down here we actually have just storage units, kind of just twist them, pop them open.
Oh, nice.
It's a little bit of a mess, so, but we just got life jackets in here, just the miscellaneous stuff, couple buoys, lines, first aid kit, things of that nature.
You got your battery turn off there?
Yeah, so we got keys are right there, battery turn off right there, and then to turn this boat on, it's actually push to start, so makes it easy right there.
And then how many batteries are we running on this one?
We're actually running 2 batteries.
2 batteries.
Yeah.
Gotcha. And then what do we got over here? Is that another hatch for?
Yeah, so down here we have, pop this one open right here. We have another hatch down here, just kind of has the batteries in it, extra life jackets, microfibers, carpet, first aid kit again, but nothing too crazy. Yeah, and over here, we kind of just storage units, just like I said, extra lines, things of that nature, anything we need when we're docking, things of that such.
Tell me about this deck here in the back of the boat here.
Yeah, so down here we actually have kind of like a walk-off. Coming to the end right here, there's actually a ladder that pulls out of the hull. So it's kind of like a hideaway ladder. Comes out perfect for my mom, my sister when they want to come climb up in the boat, get everything dialed in like that, and never had an issue with it. Works like a charm.
And you're never getting in the front from the water.
No, it's pretty tough out there to get in the front, yeah. So it's always the back, but when you're beached on the beach, it's not an issue from the front. Wipe your feet off, hop up, but.
On that note, do you guys beach this thing?
We do beach it, yeah, but we're really anal when it comes to beaching. I mean, it's got to be sand, it's got to be no rocks. You know, I don't really like to anal when it comes to that stuff. So when it comes to the interior of this boat, we got an 8-seater. That was kind of big when my dad was coming to purchase a boat of this length and caliber, I guess. He wanted an 8-seater just in case we need to have extra people, things of that such. So yeah, on a normal weekend, it's just my dad, me, my mom, and my sister. Sometimes I'll have my buddy will come along with me to just go for the ride, hang out for the weekend. So on a normal weekend, we'll have 4 to 5 people on this boat.
All right, I'm gonna take a seat in this, and I gotta tell you, this is extremely comfortable. I like that you have these straps to hold on to, and I feel like I'm in a sports car. These seats are absolutely feels like a sports car.
Definitely.
It's insanely comfortable. Wow.
Definitely holds you in too when you're in this thing. I mean, you feel like you're in it. You're not worried about, don't feel unsafe for sure.
And a lot of leg room and a lot of, my God, you got the whole field of view.
Yeah, absolutely. And you can check out the screens from the back and works out perfect.
And I'm gonna try over here. What would this seat be called? Offset like this? Is there any special name?
No, kind of just, we call it just like the second row almost. These seats actually move forward and back actually too. So I can move you back just like that. Oh my
gosh, okay.
Yeah, and you can give more room like that.
Oh, I love it.
Works out perfect.
Oh, I like this. This is a great seat. My God.
For taller people, definitely helps out. It also has these boosters on all 8 seats. So you lift them up just like that, and you kind of see when you're cruising through the channel or cruising somewhere we need to see. Works out perfect. You don't have to stand up and check it out. Yep.
Now with the window this height, it's just right, probably flush with the top of my head. If you're hitting it about 100 miles an hour, in my seating position I'm in right now, what am I to expect?
Oh, you don't feel anything. Nothing. Hat forward.
Right above you?
Yep. Hat forward. You're good to go. Don't feel nothing. I mean, I've gone 132 in this thing with hat forward in that seat. Not an issue.
Hat forward in the back?
Hat forward in the back too. Yeah, you're not really a big issue. Depends how tall you are, obviously.
Yeah.
But my mom, my sister, no issue in the back. I mean, this thing's pretty dialed in when it comes to wind stuff like that.
Shotgun.
Yeah.
See how this one is?
Definitely.
Oh my God.
And that seat moves back also too. So if it's too tight, too close.
So these modern day boats, I feel like I'm in a Ferrari on the water. I mean, this is absolutely sports car feel. I mean, just the interior, the layout, the seating position, the seating feel, unbelievable. There's no bad seat in the house.
No, there's not. There's not a bad seat in the house in this thing. Right here we got, kind of the cockpit area. This boat comes with tilt steering, which is pretty big especially when you're trying to get in and out of this boat. Definitely makes it easy, just tilt it up and hop out. We got 2 Garmins right here. These just tell us everything. I mean, we can make the map big if we can't see where we're going, things of that such. I mean, they tell us everything we need to know. Fuel pressure, oil pressure, temps, fuel range, everything like that. This is a vessel view down here. This is kind of Mercury's deal. So this is all connected to the motors. They're all connected to the motors, but this is kind of the main hub right here, I guess you could say. It tells us our fuel, like I said, RPMs, things of that nature, and it's kind of good to go just like that. Here we have our shifters. This is actually a patent from MTI, if I'm not mistaken. MTI is the only boat that comes like this, just because of the comfort and the way they like to have their throttles, I guess you could say. So right here, obviously we have right side, left side, drive, reverse, neutral. Yeah, so right here we have our trim at the end of the throttles. Makes it easy for us, just 2 fingers up and down when we're rolling by, not a big issue. Down here, we actually have all of our nav lights and blowers and horn, air conditioned buttons. Makes it really easy to flip them up, flip them down, just quick, just like that. and turns on all the lights on the interior at night, so it glows up pretty nice.
I see everybody has a cup holder. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 just in the front. I like that.
Correct, yeah. Actually, this cup holder is actually an umbrella too. So we do have an umbrella. Obviously, you can see it's cut out just like that. You can stick the umbrella in there and it covers everything in the inside.
Do you have it here?
I do.
Let's put it, oh,
I can put it on, yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. All right, Simon, Rolls-Royce has nothing on you guys. You know, they have the umbrella coming out of the door. You guys have the umbrella going into the cup holder. That is next level. I've not seen that. This now turns it into hanging out in a cove, making it all worthwhile.
No,
it's good shape.
absolutely. No, it definitely helps. It definitely, and it also tilts. I could show you right now. It obviously goes lower too if we need it to go lower. And it also tilts whatever way we need it.
Oh,
so
wow.
Kind of in the sun, put the shade.
Is a game changer.
Yeah, it's definitely perfect when we're out there and it's hot day and mom and my sister just want to hang out in here. And anybody wants to hang out, it definitely helps us for sure.
Oh, that I've never seen that. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. Simon, I noticed we have, are those air conditioning vents?
Correct. So air conditioned coolers, call it what you want. There's actually 2 coolers under it. Fill them with ice. They're automatically blowed, so turn that on. There's actually nothing in it right now, so it's just blowing regular air. But
well, that puts out definitely a lot of air.
Twist it.
So I can only imagine when it's oh wow.
Yeah, no, definitely put them whatever direction you'd like and blows good air. Yeah, so for the sound system on this boat, we actually have 3 speakers on each side, all JL audio, 8 inches. We have 4 subs under it. This thing rocks for sure. Fusion head unit. We actually have this cool little feature too when it comes to the audio. It's this little remote control. It's waterproof. Throw it in your pocket when you're out in the water and you can control everything from here.
No way.
Yeah, it's actually really cool.
All right, here's the $100 question. Does it float?
You know, it's funny, I've not tested that out yet. I mean, we could toss it right now and see what happens. But
your dad would not be happy if that thing sank. But see, I'm gonna say it floats.
Yeah, I would say it floats, honestly, but.
Can we test it real quick and just keep our hand?
Yeah, we can test the boat.
All right, here's the water test. Yeah,
it's got a little bit.
It's got a little buoyancy. You got about, I don't know, I'm gonna go 3 seconds to like say, oh crap, this is sinking.
Going back to the screens right here, this little module right here, we plug your phone in, and you can actually play TV or whatever you like on these screens. And it connects to the audio, so let's say we're out, you wanna watch a Dodger game, wanna watch the Angel game, plug your phone in, game plays right here, sound comes through the stereo, and you're good to go.
With the umbrella.
With the umbrella, just, you could be out here all day.
My God.
Yeah, so right here in the front, we got 2 cubbies. Open these things up, kind of just throw buoys, chairs, things of that such, anything my mom and my sister want when we hang out. The coolers for the air condition, I guess you could say, is under here. Fill those things up with ice and you're good to go. And the front actually goes all the way to the end, or all the way to the front, so we kind of just have a good amount of storage that we can kind of store whatever we want in there. No free advertisements. Old Fish Pro.
All right, so we're here at the Riviera. You got a bitch and slip. Is this a rental, weekly rental, or is this a year-round for you?
No, yeah, this is actually our year-round slip. We own this slip. It's a 15-foot wide by 40-foot long, so it's perfect for this boat. Fits it perfectly. Never had an issue. We actually love it here. It's super safe. We have a gated gate over there. You need a keypad just to get in, so it works out perfectly for us. Keeps it safe and don't have to worry about it.
And how is a boat this size putting it in and out of the water?
Oh, it's easy. I mean, like I said, we've had a bunch of other boats, but this is by far probably the easiest boat to get on the trailer.
How did you end up with this boat? What boats did you have prior to this to get to this boat?
Yeah, so I mean, my family's had a bunch of boats. Our first boat was a 230 Eagle Eliminator V-bottom, 350 small block in it. A great boat, finally decided to upgrade. This was probably about 15 years ago. We upgraded to a 27 Daytona Eliminator. That was a great boat, had a 525 in it, reliable, never had any issues. So we finally moved up to a DCB Sport Deck. We bought that boat, we actually sent it to DCB to get all redone. Interior, gel coat color, everything like that. Got it all redone. As you know, time comes along, sold that one also. We moved up to a DCB M31. That was the boat we had before this one. It was twin Mercury 700 stage 3s with M6 drives. Great package, in my opinion, the best package. Boat was immaculate, amazing condition, had 5 Garmins in it. Boat was over the top. Had that boat, actually ended up selling that about a year and a half ago. That boat actually got sent down to Louisiana, so it's no longer on this side of North America. We finally got this boat. This boat's actually a Havasu boat. So like I said, it came from Havasu from the original owner, 24 original hours on it. Now I think it's pushing about right around 80, 85 hours. No regrets on this thing. This thing's absolutely beautiful.
This is the end game.
There's always bigger. Okay. I wouldn't say that's the end game.
Wow, I
put
my foot in my mouth.
Yeah. There's always something something better, something bigger, but right now my mom loves this boat, and for her to say that, it's pretty good for us.
Dad, you got to keep the
Absolutely, absolutely. It's always bigger and better out there, but
I suppose so.
Yeah, right now this thing is pretty good, pretty dialed in.
All right, Simon, thank you so much for showing your family boat. I'm sure you're allowed to, Dad lets you use it pretty much anytime you, wow. So you're a popular guy on the block?
No, I wouldn't say that, no.
Now, I'm looking forward to seeing this out there. It's a very hard boat to miss, and I hope they get a ride in it this summer sometime.
Yeah, definitely. Whenever you're out here next, hit me up and take you out for a spin. No problem, thank you.